You've seen Igba Nkwu, the final stage. Now let's go back and see how it all begins. Once a man sees a woman he wants to marry, he and his family go for Iku Aka. Iku Aka means knocking. It is when they formally make their intentions known to her family. Next is Idu Ase. Idu Ase means inquiry. After formal intentions are made, both families quietly inquire about each other's background, values, and lineage. Marriage is not just between two people, it is between two families. After Idu Ase, the groom's family goes to collect the list of items needed for the marriage rites. These may include drinks, wrappers, foodstuffs, and other items needed for the ceremony. Then comes Igba Nkwu na Imego. The bride receives mmanya nkwenu from her father and searches for her husband in the crowd. When he drinks it, her umunna accept the marriage. Afterwards, both families proceed to discuss the bride price, and the items on the list are formally presented to the bride's family. After the celebration, the bride follows her husband and his umunna to begin her new life in his ancestral home. Her family then sends her off with gifts and household items to help them start off their new home. This is called Idu Uno, the sending forth. This is the journey of Igbo marriage, from knocking to belonging. Key words: Iku Aka, knocking; Idu Ase, inquiry; Imego, bride price; Igba Nkwu, wine carrying or traditional marriage; mmanya nkwenu, palm wine; Idu Uno, sending forth to a new home.